it's never that deep, okay? But it just feels somehow protein-based deep conditioners are really not that strengthening. To be very honest, I don't know. Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to this channel, hi, how are you? On this channel, I create content around natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, content creation, with a little bit of everything else in between. So please consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and the notification bell beside it. And if you're into this channel, welcome back home. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking a little bit about natural hair rules that I don't follow because I don't feel like I should follow them, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Guys, I'm going to be doing this video while twisting my hair because you all need a video. I need to get my hair done. You win, I win, we all win, okay? So I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner from a brand called Zizam Naturals. I'm also going to be using their shea butter, if you guys can see it. And I'm going to be sealing everything in with sunflower oil. I've been using sunflower oil in my hair for a while and I've been loving it, okay? So my hair has just ended like 5 minutes ago and I came to come and give you guys content, okay? So yeah, quick disclaimer, these things or these trends I don't follow, or these things are the rules I don't follow. If you follow them, that's fine. I'm not bashing your routine. Your routine is not a horrible routine, especially if it's working for you, it's fine. I'm not just here to, these are just things I just don't do on my own. It doesn't mean that if you do them, your hair is like bad or anything. Baby girl, calm down, it's never that deep, okay? So the first rule I don't follow, guys, the first one, Ofu, is to pre-poo with oils. I am a high porosity girl, yeah, and pre-pooing with oils is actually very good for my hair, let me not lie. Like, it's very good, it's very nice. My hair feels really nice when I pre-poo my hair with oils and everything. But some days, yeah, I just want to pre-poo my hair with, I don't know, rice water. I don't know, my Ayurvedic mix. I don't know, conditioner. I just prefer to just do things according to how I feel. Like, most of it, like, there was a time I was pre-pooing my hair with rice water every week for like a whole month or two. I was just getting rice water, more rice water. And my hair didn't cry at the end. Going in with the sunflower oil, okay, I just felt normal, okay? So pre-pooing with oils for me personally, The next one I'm not a fan of, guys. I think I'll make this twist tight. For my full moisture routine, please click the link here, okay? This is just me just freestyling on my head right now. So the next thing I don't do, guys, is shampoo weekly or shampoo once in 2 weeks or shampoo monthly or shampoo once in 6 weeks or shampoo. The normal shampoo your hair weekly, bi-weekly and all that stuff. Let me tell you guys, I shampoo my hair if I feel like I need to shampoo my hair. So if I shampoo my hair today, if I do like a full wash day today and tomorrow my hair starts feeling like something else, best believe that I'm going to shampoo my hair the next morning. Best believe it. There's a point of washing my hair almost every day. Say it's not good for Afro textured hair. Your hair can get dry easily and everything. Yeah, but if my scalp is not feeling it, I don't think I would want my hair to feel that way. Like, I can't sleep with gels in my hair. It's just a thing. I just can't. Like, I won't be able to sleep. It feels as if I'm giving myself, I don't know what it's called, but it just feels somehow if I sleep with, what was the name? If I sleep with gels in my hair, to be very honest, it feels really somehow. So sleeping with gels in my hair is already, because I cannot do with gels in my hair, I have to shampoo my hair. So if I do like a style that requires gels today, like let's say a low bun, a slick bun or something of that nature, I'm going to shampoo my hair that same day. So usually when I want to do like all them slick buns, twist outs and everything, I will do it like the day before my wash day or 2 days before my wash day, because I know, like, I really can't stand it. I really can't stand how it feels in my hair, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and twist a couple of camera and come back and give you guys the remaining tea, okay? Okay, guys, I am back. I've done like half, okay? So yeah, the next the next natural hair rule I would not follow is the rule that says that you should, when you're doing Ayurveda, when you're doing like a gloss or something, that you should use moisturizing deep conditioners. Why? I'm actually like spraying leave-in conditioner on my hand. Why? Personally, yeah, I don't know from the chemistry aspect, but if you ask me, yeah, from like normal using the products in my hair, protein based deep conditioners are really not that strengthening. Yeah, I've used quite a number, and I can say I've used at least like, let's say, probably like 10 plus protein based deep conditioners that have protein in their what's the name? They have protein in their ingredients, and they are really not that strengthening. Using a protein based deep conditioner in your Veda gloss or something, it's not a big deal. That's what I can just say. It's not a big deal. Like, I know the way like, oh, use moisture based product with your strengthening based products. So when you use a protein based conditioner, the strengthening effect is not, it's not that much. When you use mega good deep conditioner that is protein based, or use Desire Empire deep conditioner that is protein based, and you mix it with Shikakai, Amla, and co, fam, the effect is not the okay. So that's just me. Okay, I don't know what works for you, but that's just my own opinion. Okay. The next rule I don't follow. Okay, I'm not done this one. The next rule I don't follow, guys, is to do LOC, LCO. Yeah, it's not like LOC, LCO, and anything wrong with them. Let me just tell you guys facts. They're kind of like very good, especially like if you are looking for where to start from in like your hair routine. You don't know what to do, how to moisturize your hair. Like a very good starting point. But me personally, I do whatever the heck I feel like. It's just more of me just doing what I want. Yeah, these rules I don't follow, just me doing what. No, it's not like any reason, but personally, what I like to do, I like doing LLC, LLCO, just a combination of all of them together. Yeah, I would like to go in with like a leave-in spray first, then a leave-in conditioner, then a cream, or mix my cream with oils. Just do whatever the heck I want. Okay, like I don't think like doing LCO would like. Doing just LCO is enough for me. Sometimes it's just enough. Like now I'm doing LCO and it's working. Like this combination, I've tried it before and I actually really liked it. So I'm trying it again. So this is actually working for me. But like on a steady, will I do LCO? Maybe, maybe not. I might just do like what the heck I feel. Okay. So the next routine, like the next thing I don't do or the next rule I don't follow is trimming regularly. Why? To be very honest, I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like trimming is important. Yeah, like don't underestimate the power of trimming. But I've said before on this channel, I don't believe in the idea that your split ends will split all the way to the root. There's no how I would have if you have short hair. Yeah, that might be different for you, but there's no how I'll have hair this length. This is not so long, but this length, and my split end will start from here and be going all the way. You can stop here and break off. Oh, yeah, it can cause breakage. Yeah, but like. I don't know. I think I'm probably because I'm lazy, yeah. But if you ask me, how often do I trim? I go to be trimming once a year. Once a year. Like I don't want to. This year I've trimmed just once. Yeah, I trimmed in June-ish, June or July. 6 months is June. I think I trimmed in June. My next trim was meant to be December. But I'm going to push till like. Let me see how far I can push it. Maybe April next year. Maybe just maybe. Because I don't feel like my hair needs a trim. Like, if my hair needs a trim, maybe I will just trim it. But at the moment, I don't feel like trimming every 6 months or every 1 month or every 5 weeks or every so and so. I don't think it's necessary. It's not necessary, man. It's not necessary if you ask me. I don't think it's necessary for me or just my own hair. But if you say that trimming your hair every day works for you, my baby girl, do it. If it works for you, do it. They don't come and say Ukachi say no, do it, okay? So I'm going to go off again and like do a lot more like parts, then come back to talk about more rules, okay? Okay, guys, we're in the front, so let's finish this up, okay? The next rule that I feel like I don't follow is the rule on heat. Avoid heat if you're a natural. Avoid heat. Heat is bad for your natural hair. Bruh. If you don't know how to use heat in your hair, let me just put this out there. If you don't know how to use heat in your hair, and you know that it's heat that made you turn natural. You now want to come at fam, stay away from heat first. Just relax. But personally, yeah, the only reason why I actually don't blow dry my hair and use heat as much in my hair is because it's very easy for me to get my hair straight. So But before that, before like I realized I could get my hair straight like this, I could blow dry my hair like twice a month, 3 times a month, and nothing spoil. I don't feel like the whole idea of avoid. I think the main thing should be use heat in moderation. I don't think I can heat damage my own hair, because I just feel like when I'm overdoing the heat, I can feel it. So like personally, I'm just talking from personal experience. Don't judge me, okay? But saying avoid heat is it just rubs me off the wrong way. I don't think you should avoid heat. I just feel like, oh god, there's conditioner on my face. I just feel like you should use heat in moderation if you don't know how to use heat in your hair, and if you're not skilled enough to use heat in your hair. If you are skilled in using it in your hair, oh boy, do you, boo. The last rule that I wrote here it's still on heat though, and it's to deep condition with a steam cap. The only time you catch me deep condition with a steam cap is if I have time to waste. It's if I have time to waste and I want to press food. That's it though. If I see that I have time to waste, maybe I will consider deep condition. Aside that, no. Even if the product says deep condition and sit down that steam cap for 2 days, not because I'm disobedient or anything, or because maybe I just want to be a disobedient cow. No, it's because I know my hair. My hair is high porosity, yeah. Me just taking a look at like the ingredients of a product and like seeing the way how thick the product is and how the thing applies to my hair. Like I already have an idea of should I stay on that steamer, should I not stay on that steamer? And yes, I currently have a steamer. I think I have 2. So like if it's for the idea of should I stay on that, she's just saying it because she does not have steamer. I have 2. But it's just the fact that like I know my hair is high porosity, yeah. And I know like my hair would thrive if I don't stay under a steamer. Like what like takes my sister's hair like 30 minutes to absorb, my hair in 15 or less can take it in like this. Even when I'm applying the product on my hair, you don't even see any coat. It just goes in easy. Like look at this stuff. The reason why I see particles here is because I need to go and dry a bit that the powder is just hanging on my hair, and I added Shebe. It's just hanging on my hair. But aside that, like products penetrate my hair easily, like real easily. So look at, I did LCO on this hair, and the only thing I've seen is particles from Shebe. That's just it. So like it's already easy for me. So me saying come and deep condition with it is just steam cap sellers trying to stay market. To me, I would not say deep condition. I would say if you feel like your hair is low porosity or products don't penetrate your hair easily, you put conditioner on your hair and the thing just sits on your hair for like 1 hour, then maybe you should try heat. But if you see that you put conditioner on your hair and in like 15 minutes they are wearing nylon, everything has entered your strands, that your hair is not seeing, you're not having the white coats, or your hair is not overly hard, you just feel like the product is not sitting on your hair, it's actually in your hair, then maybe you can actually like ditch the steam cap, okay? So those are the rules I don't follow, guys. Tell me your own rules, the natural hair rules you don't follow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video is just pure cruise, okay? I'm just here catching cruise and doing my hair. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did not learn, tell me in the comment section, okay? Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi. Subscribe to my channel when you join to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah. Subscribe. Follow me. I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you no mind, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you no mind, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man.